Lesson 14.1, building solids using unit cubes. So the vocabulary for this unit is unit cube, face, and edge. So the face of a shape is what the flat part on one side, and the edge is where two sides meet. So this is the bottom edge and this is the face. So the solid shown is a unit cube. It is a cube in which all edges are 1 unit long. A cube has 6 square faces, and all of its faces are congruent. It has 10 edges, and the lengths of all of its edges are equal. This is another cube. You can build solids using unit cubes, and this solid is made up of 2 unit cubes. This one is made up of 1 unit cube. We have a hands-on activity that we can't do because we don't have the blocks, but if you have blocks at home, you could maybe do that. I think we're going to go ahead and skip it. We're going to do a little bit of guided learning. Each of these solids is made up of blank unit cubes. So there's 1, 2, 3 in this one, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We're just kind of practicing looking at them in different configurations and recognizing that there's 3 cubes in that shape. And this one, how many would you guess are in this this little structure of unit cubes? So we have 1, 2. Did you guess 12? Yep, that's it. Okay, so now you're going to practice just counting how many unit cubes there are in each shape. For some of you, this will be so easy that you'll be wondering, why are we even doing this? For others of you, if your spatial awareness is not a real strength for you, this might be hard. So for people that are very good at building Legos, this might be something where it just comes naturally to you. But not everybody has a brain that sees things easily in 3 dimensions without touching it. So just do the best that you can. So the red one, that one's pretty easy. That one's 4 unit cubes. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 unit cubes. This one has 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the bottom plus 2. So that's 7 unit cubes altogether. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 unit cubes. Okay, we're going to just jump right into lesson 14.2 because this chapter is also pretty straightforward. The one thing that you need to know for vocabulary is rectangular prism. So a rectangular prism is similar to a cube, except that it has some sides that are rectangularly shaped. So right here, we're learning how to draw cubes and rectangular prisms on dot paper. This will be much easier to just do in your math workbook. You have some dot paper pages on lesson 14.2, and it's really hard to explain exactly how to draw a cube without having it on paper to show you. So basically, a cube is the same number of units on each side. So you would make a square with 4 points that you're connecting, bring it down to 1 point, over 1 point, and up 1 point, over 1 point, and up 1 point, and then you have a cube. And you can practice drawing unit cubes that are stacked on top of each other and unit cubes that are next to each other as well. So a rectangular prism can be a cube, but it can also be a 3-dimensional shape that has rectangles on one side. Okay. So you're going to practice drawing cubes and rectangular prisms without showing the unit cubes. So this one you can see it's 2 units across and 2 units up and 2 units across and 2 units across. So this is a cube. This one, if you count, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 across, 1, 2, 3, 4 up. So this is also a cube. This one here is a rectangular prism that is 2 across and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units on this side. So 5 units on this side, 2 units across, 5 units up, 2 units across. So you can see that this shape has a square on 2 ends, and then it's got 4 faces that are rectangles. And the same with this one. It's got 4 faces that are rectangles and 2 faces that are cubes. So what you're going to do next is think about how you would copy and complete the drawings on the dot paper. So for this one, what I would do is I would count down 3 units, and then I would draw those here. 1, 2, 3. And then this side is also 1, 2, 3 units. So I would do 3 across. We can notice that it's only 2 across on this section, but you're not going to be drawing that. So you would draw 3 down and 3 across for this shape. And then for this shape, you're going to bring it across here and a line here. Okay. And we'll be doing some practice in our workbooks this afternoon with this concept. And there's multiple ways that we're going to practice, but we'll have plenty of practice in our workbook, like I said. So I'm not going to try and go through them on the lesson video.